There is a time I was a middle class in Nairobi doing some business with no touch in mashinani before I joined politics. But when you join politics and interact with all the people of Kenya in terms of all the stratas, you get to understand the diversity of Kenya. And I sympathize with Professor because he may not be aware that a person in a village probably he grew up in would actually need only 2,000 in one day to actually build up capital for their business. So from where we sit, the Hustler Fund, as I give the statistics, these are not animals or trees. These are the people of Kenya who actually borrowed this money. And the Hustler Fund actually came in as an intervention because our current financial industry could not incorporate the kind of people that you are targeting through Hustler Fund. If Professor, for example, feels the kind of quantum you are giving is not commensurate probably to what he may need, that is why I again said it was an intervention. Maybe the kind of target, probably he's above it, given the income probably he gets. So 17 million